Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. Simple Pretty Nails here. What's up everybody? Look what we're bringing to you guys, a yummy homemade teriyaki sauce. These are all our ingredients that we're going to use. Half of a carrot. We're going to use half of the ginger. So you want to cut it up in these little pieces as you guys can see what hubby's doing. We're going to do a quarter of an onion. And don't forget half of the celery. Right here, we're going to go ahead and do, I believe he did a cup of sugar. That's going to go in our pan. And then we're going to go ahead and add a cup of soy sauce. Okay. So y'all make sure you're watching what he's doing because we have to turn on the pan to, I would say medium heat. And he's going to go ahead and put all these ingredients in here. We're going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to boil for about 30 minutes, you guys, okay? Make sure you simmer, though. You're going to turn down once it goes to on high. Y'all want to turn it down. Make sure you're moving your sugar around as well so it doesn't stick on the bottom. And right here, you can see everything that hubby's doing, okay? You cannot miss a step, you guys. You can see everything. He's going to go ahead and use 1/4 cup of sake in there as well. So make sure you guys are putting all your ingredients in here that hubby's showing you how to do. We did this on a live, and as promised, I know I take forever to upload a video, but here it is. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Let me know your feedback, how yours came out. Let us know. We love to share our recipes with you guys. So make sure you guys boil this and turn down the heat as soon as it boils, and you let it simmer for about 30 minutes, you guys, okay? Make sure it doesn't spill and you're keeping an eye on this. I promise you guys, it's so delicious. Hubby ended up doing poached salmon. He cooked it in just pure butter. And then he added his yummy teriyaki sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys. It was an amazing recipe. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Make sure y'all let it sit for at least 20 minutes so it cools off really good and it thickens. And then you guys are going to drizzle that on top of your salmon or chicken, whatever it is you're going to make. Right here we have jasmine rice. We've got our delicious poached salmon in the butter. Hubby's gonna go ahead and set up a plate, and it's that simple, you guys. Making a homemade sauce is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and with that said, I will see you on our next video.